the Maverick is flabbergasted, emotionally discombobulated, commonsensically obfuscated by how the Reggae Boyz played in their first 2 World Cup qualifiers. We won the games by the narrowest of margins, but even with some players missing, winning 2 close games against teams ranked at 150 and 185 respectively, big bad Reggae Boyz hung on for dear life against the Dominican Republic and Dominica is disturbing to my mental tranquility. I mean, we don't look no different from Dom Rep or Dominica. And remember now, all of this is in a context where, all things considered, these Reggae Boyz, coached by Jaime Hallgrimsson, are supposed to be strongly favored to qualify for the 2026 World Cup based on the depth and the quality of our squad. But right now, based on those 2 performances, see how we look here? That's how we look. That's how the Reggae Boyz look. We look shaky. No, the Maverick not shaky. We demonstrate how the Reggae Boyz look. That's how them look.